Hi, my name is Amy, and I am currently a student with Breathing Space. I'll begin with the program itself. It is so comprehensive and in-depth, and the wisdom and the confidence that you receive from this program is unreal. I am about 4 months into the program, and I have already completed about 5 or 6 breathing sessions as well as a couple of group sessions, and it's simply because there is so much in the program, but it's so easy to understand, to integrate, to relate to, and the confidence it gives you to work with people right away is incredible. It's unique to this program for sure. The modules are super easy to follow. They're a combination of videos and words, like for reading, and different activities to do for each module. And the fact that you have access to so many practitioners with Breathing Space. You're this one big community, so you have the access to ask any questions, to ask any advice on anything to do with breathing, with your business if you're starting one, any of those things, personal journey, personal growth. It's completely open, it's completely comfortable, it's so supportive. As well, Ben, the creator of Breathing Space, he is so down to earth. He is so passionate about what he does, and he's right in there with each of the training sessions. You know, he will wake up at 4 o'clock in the morning to make sure he can join you and welcome you to the group and everything like that. He offers so much content for free. He gives you access to different programs, just the guidance, everything that he offers you is unique and out of this world for a program like this. I've also been, so my mentor for this program has actually been Megan Ashton, and she is incredible. I did my first breathwork with her online, and I was hooked right away. I knew right then, after working with her in a breath session, that I wanted to join, and I was lucky enough to get to have her as my mentor, and it's incredible. She is so passionate, and she is so full of wisdom. She craves, understanding more and learning more. So she loves all questions, and she can answer most of them. And if there's a question that she can't answer, she is more than happy to dive in, do the research, and find it out, because she genuinely wants to know herself as well. She is so passionate about what she does, and she's now taking this passion to the next level and teaching people. And I feel so blessed and lucky that I've got to be part of her group, part of her mentorship. I can't say enough good things about this program. I have done many other programs, not breath programs, but many other programs in the holistic sort of realm here. And there's not a single program that has made me feel like I can actually step out and do it with confidence during the program, right after the program. I'm so excited to get out there, and it's true what they say. There is just this high after you lead a session, knowing that you really are empowering people to trust themselves, to go inward, to listen to their own wisdom. And it's all in the power of their own breath. They have it right there with them. So if you're wondering if it's the right time, go, run. It is the right time. If you're feeling that nudge, it is so the right time. And all I can do is ask that you honor that nudge. It's a beautiful, beautiful journey, not only for everything that you're going to learn for guiding people through this method, but your own personal growth journey. I'm telling you, it is incredible. So go for it. Go for it now.